Emma, I am never going shopping again. It was a disaster.
Oh no, Alex, what happened? Did you lose your wallet?
No, I lost my dignity. The cashier said the total was 50. I thought she said 15.
Ah, the classic mistake. 50 versus 15.
Exactly. I gave her a $20 bill and waited for change. She looked at me like I was a criminal. It was so embarrassing.
That is a very common problem for English learners. The pronunciation is tricky.
It is not just the pronunciation, it is the math. I froze. I could not add the tax or calculate the change in my head in English.
Well, today we are going to fix that. No more freezing at the register.
Please help me. I need to know how to count, add, and subtract without sweating.
We will cover it all, numbers, time, and even some shapes. Let's get started. Let's solve your 15 versus 50 problem first. It is all about stress.
Stress? Yes, I have a lot of stress when I do math.
No, I mean syllable stress. Listen closely. 13, 14, 15.
Okay, I hear it. You're pushing the end of the word teen.
Exactly. Now listen to the tens. 30, 40, 50. The stress is at the beginning.
30. Okay, let me try. I have 13 apples.
Perfect. Now, I have 30 apples.
Wow, you have a lot of apples, but I hear the difference. The teen is long. The tie is short and sharp.
Correct? Now, let's count higher. What comes after 100?
101?
Yes, but we usually connect it. 101. Try counting to 105.
101, 102, 103, 105.
Excellent. That "and" is very important for flow.
Okay, counting is good, but how do I put numbers together? Do I just say 2 and 2?
You can say that in casual conversation, but the mathematical term is plus.
Plus, like Disney Plus?
Similar word, different meaning. The symbol looks like a cross, so we say 5 plus 5.
Okay, and what is the result called?
The result is the sum, or you can simply say equals.
So, 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Correct? Or you can say the sum of 5 and 5 is 10.
That sounds very scientific. The sum of my happiness plus pizza equals a nap.
Your math logic is undeniable, Alex.
Now, the sad part. Taking things away, like when I pay money.
This is subtraction. The symbol is a straight line. We call it minus.
Minus. Okay, 10 minus 2.
Correct. And the answer here is called the difference.
The difference. Can you give me a full sentence example?
Sure. What is the difference between 8 and 5?
The difference is 3. Or, I can say 8 minus 5 equals 3.
Exactly. We also use the phrase take away for young learners. 8, take away 5.
That sounds easier. Alex, take away pizza equals sad Alex.
Now we need to talk about place value. This helps you understand big numbers like 25 or 58.
Place value, is this about location again?
Think of numbers as having rooms. The first room on the right is the owns room.
Okay, only single digits go there, 0 through 9.
Exactly. Once you hit 10, you move to the tens room on the left.
So, the number 12 has 2 rooms occupied?
Yes. The 1 is in the tens place. It represents one group of 10. The 2 is in the ones place.
So it is like 1 bag of 10 apples and 2 loose apples.
That is a perfect analogy. What about the number 25?
That would be 2 bags of 10 apples and 5 loose apples. 2 tens, 5 ones.
You've got it. Understanding tens and ones is the secret to understanding American currency too.
Speaking of numbers, look at the clock. Is it time for a break?
Not yet, but let's read the clock. What time is it right now?
The little hand is on the 4. The big hand is on the 12, so 4 o'clock.
Perfect. We use a clock only for the exact hour. But what if the big hand moves to the 6?
Then it is 4:30.
Yes, that is the digital way. But there is another way using fractions.
Oh no, fractions. Is it half past?
Yes, think of the clock as a pizza. From 12 to 6 is half the pizza.
Okay, I like pizza analogies, so half the hour has passed. 4:30.
Exactly. 4:30 is very common in the UK and widely understood in the US.
Can I say 4:30?
No, pick one. Either 4:30 or 4:30. Never mix them.
Okay, no mixing. Got it. Now look at this clock. It is round.
It is a circle. Now, how do we describe a circle? Does it have sides?
No, it is just one continuous curvy line.
Correct. A circle has 0 straight sides and 0 vertices.
Vertices? Is that a type of dinosaur?
No, Alex, a vertex, plural vertices, is a corner, where 2 sides meet.
Ah, a corner. Okay, so let's look at this sticky note. It is a square.
Describe the square using our new words.
Okay, a square has 4 straight sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices.
Excellent. And what makes it a square and not a rectangle?
Because all the sides are the same length?
Precisely. Defining attributes are important. Sides and vertices. Before we finish, let's check some common mistakes I hear from students.
I am the king of mistakes. Hit me.
Do not say 7 and 3 makes 10. It is not terrible, but equals is better.
Okay, 7 plus 3 equals 10. Not makes.
Also, be careful with the word count. Many students say calculate when they mean count.
What is the difference?
Counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculating is doing math, like addition or subtraction.
So I don't count the math problem. I calculate the answer.
Exactly. And finally, remember the 13 stress.
I will never forget. I do not want to pay $50 for a $15 lunch again. Okay, let's test my new brain. I am at a cinema buying tickets. You are the seller.
Welcome to Cinema City. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like 2 tickets for the new action movie, please.
Okay, the tickets are $12 each.
Let me calculate. 12 plus 12 equals 24.
That is correct. Would you like popcorn? It is $6.
Yes, 1 popcorn. So, 24 plus 6, the sum is $30.
Perfect. That will be $30, please.
Here is a $50 bill.
Thank you. 50 minus 30 equals 20. Here is your change.
2 tens. I see the place value. Thank you.
Enjoy the movie. It starts at 7:30.
7:30? Oh, I have plenty of time. Thanks, Emma.
You did it, Alex. You navigated the transaction perfectly.
I feel so much better. I can add, subtract, and I know my shapes.
It really is about confidence. Just remember the vocabulary: plus, minus, equals, sum, and difference.
And don't forget the vertices.
Never forget the vertices. Listeners, we have a challenge for you.
Write a math equation in the comments using words, like 10 plus 5 equals 15.
We will check your math and your English.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe, like, and see you next time.
Goodbye.